I'm David Payne. We're Qwite. We do mobile customer feedback. Every day, businesses collect customer feedback, and they do that using a variety of means. They use comment cards, register receipts, and a number of online methods. And in collecting that feedback, they spend more than $4 billion every year. But they spend that money because there's a lot of industry research that shows the very strong correlation between customer feedback scores and the business bottom line. Let me highlight that for you. So here I'm showing the results of recent industry research that illustrates just that point, a strong correlation between customer feedback scores and business revenue, profitability, and growth. So let's bring all of this a little closer to home. Let's consider the case of a local restaurant. That restaurant collects customer feedback today using comment cards. That method is slow, inefficient, inflexible, and expensive. Qwite has solved that problem. We have integrated today's customer feedback solutions into mobile. So let me give you an example now of providing feedback using Qwite. Imagine for a moment we're at a local restaurant. We're going to provide feedback to that restaurant, and in turn, the restaurant is going to incentivize us by offering us a reward. We could take the survey now, or we could take it later. Let's take it now. We'll go through, we'll provide feedback on the ambiance, the service, the food, and in fact, we're going to make some suggestions on what we think could be improvements at the restaurant. And at the end of the survey, the restaurant is going to reward us. Okay, so now let's circle back to the restaurant using comment cards and see how the Qwite mobile feedback solution could help improve the customer feedback experience at this restaurant. Qwite is custom. So with Qwite, the business is able to has customized surveys that enable to ask whatever question it wants. Qwite is flexible. So the consumer is able to provide feedback wherever and whenever they want. If they have a few minutes standing in line or waiting for someone, they're able to provide feedback. Qwite is immediate. If a consumer provides feedback and there's a problem, it's routed directly to the business management, and in turn, they're able to reach back out to the consumer and attempt to solve the problem before the customer is lost forever. And today, with the camera and the audio capabilities of today's mobile devices, the user experience with Qwite is far superior to what you would get to any comment card, register receipt, or any online method. So now, all of this is made possible by the Qwite mobile app combined with a sophisticated back end that includes a database, business logic, and advanced analytics, coupled with a business portal that enables a local merchant to log in, review, create surveys, and review the ongoing Qwite analysis of his data. The ecosystem for mobile customer feedback is highly competitive. But if you look at the flexibility and customizability of the Qwite solution, combined with the proactive way in which we work directly with businesses on an ongoing basis, you'll see that the Qwite solution is stronger than that of any of our competitors. So we've talked primarily about restaurants, but in fact, the Qwite infrastructure enables us to engage with all local businesses. Qwite is available now, and as we grow the business, we'll be engaging with multiple verticals: restaurants and bars, retail chains, and accommodation businesses such as large apartment complexes, because all of these businesses care about customer satisfaction. We're in beta now, And as part of that beta, we're working with 2 large property management companies because those companies care about resident satisfaction. And they bring to us more than 15,000 users, which are going to enable us to seriously stress test and scale our software to ensure its robustness for general availability. The team that has made all of this possible is a team with more than 20 years of experience in the high-tech space, a team that's created and brought to market multiple profitable lines of business. MJ with her strong product management skills, Lynn with her strong technical skills, and myself with marketing and business development skills at Fortune 500 companies. So in summary, at DreamIt, what we've done is we've created a product and service, we've engaged with customers, and we've secured businesses for our beta program. Going forward, we're going to successfully complete our beta program. We're going to add some more consumer and business features, move the product into general availability, and grow it in multiple verticals. Now, we are not raising money today. We're looking to open a round on the successful completion of our beta program. So if you're interested in following our progress or seeing a demo of Qwite here today live, please come see us afterwards.